Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to remove the saved video on TED. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to delete the saved video on TED. Maybe because you have seen the saved video in TED and now you want to delete it. Or maybe you don't need the videos any longer or you accidentally added the videos into the save list and now you want to delete it, or it could be any other reason for you to delete the saved videos on that. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave the written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first thing that you have to make sure that you have already installed that app, and if you have not installed it yet then you can still install it from the Google Play Store or App Store. And once you install it, make sure you have already created your account on it and right now you're logged in with your account on your device. And once you're done with all these things, now you just have to simply tap onto the TED app icon to open the TED app. The TED app actually takes a while to load the information and gather all the details from your account, and after that you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of content on our screen. At the bottom we have 5 options and at the top right side we have another option. So before going to delete all the saved videos, first I'll show you how you can save a video and then we will see how we can delete that video. So this is a video that I want to save, so I will click onto this option save, and at the bottom you will see it will indicate that this video has been saved to the list. So now once you get back at the bottom you can see we have 5 options. So from these 5 options you have to select the fourth option, which is the icon similar to save. This one you just have to simply tap onto it and then you will land into my library. There again you will see many different options. So here you can see at the top we have different options. So we have to click onto this one, which is saved list. So all the saved contents will be available there, and from there you can get access to them. And now if you're thinking to delete them, so as you can see we have a cross option along with every video. So either you could tap on it and then you will get the option to remove or delete, and once you tap on it the video will get deleted. Otherwise you can swipe it and click onto this red option and the video will be removed. Otherwise you can just swipe your finger and the video will get deleted. So there you go, this is how you can easily delete all the saved videos in your TED app. Also, this was the easiest way I know through which you can delete the saved videos in TED app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.